Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to roll a put credit spread in the IBKR mobile app.
In this example, we have a put credit spread of 68.45 and 67.50. First, navigate to the underlying instrument that you're trading, then click on options. Now let's go find the put credit spread that you already have on. So see, we have 68.45. Currently, that's our short put. So now we want to buy it back to close, right? And we want to sell the 67.50 because that's the long put that we have. Now let's go find a new put credit spread to roll it to. Let's go to 10 days from now. And keep in mind the $50 debit that we have to find another spread that can give us a credit. Ideally, you would like to roll the strike down so you can reduce your risk, but you should strive to roll so that you get a credit on the roll itself. So let's do 68.75. We sell that, we see that it gives us 23.75 credit. Now we can use that to go find a long put. Let's do the 66.75. Okay, so if we do this, it will give us at the mid price 6.35 credit. Obviously, you can try to get a better fill, and then right here it also tells you what the margin impact will look like for your portfolio. And maybe you find like that the margin impact is too high, so you want to do something that will be more favorable. What you can do as well in situations like these, especially if you anticipate a short-term drawdown but not a long-term one, instead of buying the long put at the same expiration, you can buy it a little bit closer dated to save you on margin and on cost. So let's see. If I buy this, I will be able to get a little bit more credit here for the roll. And the margin impact is actually half of what we saw earlier, right? This is 3,400 versus 6,000 something earlier. Now, the caveat to keep in mind is that when you buy a shorter dated expiration and if price does not recover by the time your short put expires, you will need to buy more short puts to make sure that you have a long protection and enough margin buffer. So only do this method if you are pretty sure of the direction and you want to take that risk. If not, go ahead and stick with the traditional roll where you just do a one-to-one roll to a different expiration and stick with that. That would be the safest. That's all. Let me know if you guys have any questions in the comments. As always, see you later. Thanks for watching.